What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So many of you know we do a ton of golf cart reviews, batteries, motors, controllers, wheels, tires, seats, just about anything, right? And we've done some sound bars here on the channel, but today I think I might have found Amazon's biggest sound bar for a golf cart. And when I'm saying big, I am saying this reminds me of the iconic pictures of LL Cool J walking with that gigantic boombox on his shoulders. This is the LL Cool J boombox for golf carts. So this is the Kemimoto Midnight 90. And it's advertised as a 10 speaker soundbar. But let's go over that real quick. There's not 10 speakers on here. You have 3 on this side, 3 on this side. Looks like 2 here and 2 there, right? Actually, we have 8 speakers and 2 passive radiators. Now, Kemimoto sent this over to us to check out. I'm gonna be honest with you. On this EasyGo TXT, there's really not a whole lot of spaces to put it. Now, the EasyGo TXT, I would say, is one of the most popular golf carts that everyone knows of, okay? I would probably even go out on a limb and say more people have EasyGo TXTs than they do other golf carts out there. Now, the unit comes with your product manual. It comes with a remote and like a lanyard for the remote control. The remote's also inside like the sealable pouch here to keep it weatherproof. Your power and ground wire with the fusible link plugs directly into the side of the Kemimoto, and it's like 15 to 16 feet of power and ground cable. Now, when you have golf carts like the Club Car DS, the Club Car President, Yamaha RXV, they've included extra mounts in here for those, for the front of it, right? But on our case, the EasyGo TXT, our bars run right to left, so we don't have this right here where their bars run front to back. Another thing is it comes with these right here, brackets right here that supports the U-bolts here, and they slide back and forth. You can put 4 bolts on this side, 4 on this side. You also have spots in between here as well, so you could actually take this and run it front to back if you wanted to. Underneath this right here is like a rubber material, so it will not mar up the soundbar, and it'll actually hold it tighter to the soundbar itself. But let's face it, can a soundbar be too big? Somebody smart in the comments is like, oh yeah, it could be too big. But if you ask me, it can't be too big. It can't be too tall. It can't be too low. It can't be too fast, and it can't be too loud. I only have one spot that I think that I can mount this right here on this TXT for this video. I'm gonna do it. This is redonkulous, but I like it. Don't judge my wiring. It's not staying on here. I might have another use for it, and we'll discuss that later. But this thing right here is crazy.
Oh, don't you need a flash like the CV? Smoking on that Doja. 4 niggas in the back screaming no limit soldier. True to the gizang. Stop in the project so to have an ounce of cocaine. Hit in the state, in the Texas. Listening to DJ Screw just race the Lexus.
Here's the thing, guys. This sound system it sounds great, okay? I think this would be perfect for side-by-sides, UTVs, a Jeep, maybe like even a Jeep or Suzuki Samurai, something like that. For a golf cart, it might be a bit overkill, but this sounds so good, and it's not distorting at all. It's clean and it's crisp. That's really what I like about it. Now, it's got cool features like you got your LEDs, right? I think that looks pretty good. You actually got a real volume knob. I like that on there. Forward and reverse. You got a power button here. You have a dome light, which that's what those right there are. It's pretty neat. The LEDs, you can make them blink and flash and do all that kind of stuff, right? Multiple functions there. On the side over here, you got aux in, aux out, USB in. You also have FM in as well.
FM
so
radio mode.
You play your pause modes down here for your Bluetooth, and it don't work on FM. It's just for Bluetooth there. You can see it's changing. So yeah, this is a super nice unit. Excessively big, we know. It sounds great. And I was just playing some real music just so you can hear exactly what it sounds like. I'm showing you, it's got an FM antenna right here. I just wire tied it up there because, well, you guys know I'm not keeping this on here. This is just for a review. Now, one of the things I like about it is the mid bass that it has. It's got great mid bass, it's got great highs, and it's got great bass as well. And these passive radiators really come into play here, and they sound great with this right here unit. Would you guys put this right here on a golf cart? And if you would, what kind of golf cart would you do? Would you put it on a Club Car President up here? Would you put it on a Yamaha? Would you put it on something else? Would you put it on a Jeep? I'm gonna be honest with you. I thought about putting this right here on my back patio and running this right here to a 110 plug to a 12-volt transformer and put it on the back patio. This would be great for when we're grilling in the backyard or whatever. There's so many uses you could use this right here for. You just need to find a way to mount it. Now, obviously, it's kind of funny the way I have it mounted on here, but you know, like I said, I'm not keeping it on here. We just wanted to do a review, and this right here review is not monetized, obviously, because of the sounds I've been playing, and I will continue to play on the video so you guys can hear exactly what it sounds like. We might do some country here in a minute.
Sorrow at the AU. We blew hate to athletes might take you, but you must have me mistaken with them statements that you make up.
Just when I thought I got in the fall in love with Tennessee, I should've known better than to take it back to Abilene. Put it right back in her arms. I wasn't a match for that kind of spark. She's from Texas, I can tell by the way he's just stepping round the room. And judging by the smile that's written on his face, there's nothing I can do.
This thing is stupid loud. It's a huge unit. It would be great for certain vehicles. It might be too big for this Easy Go. I had fun on today's video. We'll see y'all this week. I'll put the link in the video description where you can check these out at. See y'all later, bye.